Have you ever wondered what exactly a stock is and how it works? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Understanding Stocks, your ultimate guide to the stock market. Let's start with the basics. What is a stock? A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of the company. As a shareholder, you have a claim on the company's assets and earnings. Stocks are bought and sold on stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. The price of a stock fluctuates based on supply and demand, as well as the company's performance and market conditions. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks typically come with voting rights and offer the potential for higher returns, while preferred stocks often pay fixed dividends but may have limited voting rights. So why invest in stocks? Investing in stocks offers the potential for long-term growth and can help you build wealth over time. Historically, stocks have outperformed other asset classes such as bonds and cash, making them an attractive option for investors seeking higher returns. But it's important to remember that investing in stocks comes with risks. Market volatility, economic downturns, and company-specific issues can all affect the value of your investments. It's crucial to diversify your portfolio and conduct thorough research before investing. Thanks for watching. Ready to start investing in stocks? Remember to do your homework and consider seeking advice from a financial professional. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on personal finance and investing. Until next time.